What's up everyone, this is Jaime Rivera with Pocketnow, and today was a good day. Right about the end of it, I was greeted by FedEx with this box. And boy do I know what's in here. Bear with me, there is a reason why we're doing this unboxing like we used to in the old days. I have to get on a plane in a few hours. Yes, I know I need sleep. The problem is I already tried. This box doesn't fit in my bag, and I am excited. I can't wait until then to unbox this phone, and I can't make you guys wait. So let's get to it. This is the unboxing of the BlackBerry KEY2. Yes, I have been asked by everyone, why am I so excited about the KEY2? I guess for me it has to do with nostalgia. I do agree, it is a niche product, but bear in mind I am part of that niche. I used BlackBerries for years, right about from the time of the Pearl all the way over to the BlackBerry Bold 9900, which was my favorite one. And yes, I did want to love the BlackBerry KEYone. I know a lot of my fellow reviewers did, but the keyboard was just too mushy for me, and that phone seriously needed more RAM. It was slow to take photos, a ton of things were just not there. So I hear that this phone is supposed to fix all those things. So this is the reason why I'm looking forward to this review period. Let's dig in. You know what? I actually think this is fairly appropriate. Retro style unboxing for a retro style of phone. All right. Oh. So for some reason I thought we were going to get a prototype or something, but it seems that this is a final unit. It says BlackBerry KEY2 engraved, but you can barely see it. Ooh, yes, this is a final unit. All right. Got the KEY2 at the top. Silver, yes, this is definitely the color that I wanted. Some ejector tool literature that most of you won't really care about. We've got a wall adapter, and I believe this is quick charge, but it doesn't say anything, so I'll let you know in the review. Oh, we've got BlackBerry style headphones. Interesting. And your typical USB-C cable. Love that everything is in black, makes it more convenient. And shotgun microphone is set. Let's do this. Oh yeah, that felt really good. So far, after a few minutes of using this phone, I have to tell you I am really looking forward to this review period. I'm not saying that this is the perfect phone, I'm not saying that this phone is right for you, I'm just saying that I fall in the niche of people that actually care about this device. I wanted to love the KEYone, it was great for things like battery life, and I'm looking forward to that with this device as well. Again, there is really only one way to find out, and that is with our full review, which begins now, and will take a couple of days or probably more than a week for us to be able to give you our final verdict. Is this my daily driver or not? We will keep you posted. Everyone, thank you so much for watching. Let us know in the comments what you think about the BlackBerry KEY2, what comparisons you would like to see, what video tests you would like to see in our review. And while you're at it, make sure you follow us on social media and subscribe to our channel by hitting this button up here. You can watch our Pocketnow Daily up here and our first impressions of the BlackBerry KEY2 down here. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.